The Audi 6 rupees Avant, with its 591 horsepower twin-turbo V8, wide bodywork, and 3.6-second 0-60 time, is already one racy station wagon. The 6 rupees GTO Concept, however, makes it considerably racier. This special one-off is designed to commemorate the Audi 90 IMSA GTO race car that was campaigned with great success by Hans-Joachim Stuck in the 1990s. Part of Audi's year-long celebration that marks 40 years of Quattro, which has already given us a special limited edition TTRS, the wagon's motorsports makeover is said to have been the work of apprentices at Audi's Neckasrulm assembly plant, according to a report in Autocar. Besides the race car-inspired graphics and GTO badging, the concept has a custom front fascia with a huge lower air intake and a closed-off upper grille. The front spiller is accentuated with a red stripe that extends around to the lower side bodywork. Another reference to the race car is the side exit exhaust outlets. At the rear, a huge spoiler sits atop the liftgate. The most dramatic design element, however, might be the solid white wheel covers. Inside, the rear seat has been removed and a roll cage installed, complete with side window netting. The two front seats are replaced with red and black Recaro racing buckets with 4-point harnesses. We don't expect the 6 rupees GTO to reach even limited production. This 6 rupees GTO, however, does show that Audi's racy wagon makes a perfect starting point for a real racer, or a concept that commemorates one.